Merrill Edge Self-Directed is a great choice for investors, especially if you're already a Bank of America customer. It offers free stock, ETF, and options trades, plus solid research from providers like Morningstar and BofA's own analysts. The platform is easy to use, and you can manage both your banking and investing accounts in one place. You also get access to 3 different trading platforms, a web version, a mobile app, and the more advanced Market Pro platform with interactive charts and live data. That said, there are some downsides. Merrill Edge doesn't offer fractional shares, which makes it harder to invest small amounts across different stocks. It also has a more limited investment selection than some competitors' no futures, forex, or EPOs. Another drawback is its low interest rate on uninvested cash, just 0.1%, so your idle money won't be earning much. On the bright side, there are no account minimums, and stock and ETF trades are completely commission-free. Options trades cost just 65 cents per contract. There are no annual or inactivity fees, though if you ever close your account, there's a $49.95 transfer out fee. Merrill Edge is a strong pick for Bank of America customers, beginner investors, and anyone who values great customer service. You get 24/7 support by phone, chat, and email, plus in-person help at both branches. If you're an advanced trader looking for more investment choices or fractional shares, you might be better off with Charles Schwab or Fidelity. But if you want a smooth, well-integrated experience with solid research and free trades, Merrill Edge is a solid bet.